everyone is having a great day. I'm back with another Python coding challenge video. Today we are moving on up. We are on the week of October 30th, so we have 2 more weeks after this one and we'll be all caught up. So today we are on the easy convert temperatures challenge. I'll go ahead and read the instructions. It says data analysts working with environmental data may need to switch between temperature scales. Given a list of temperatures in Fahrenheit, create a function to convert them to Celsius. Temperature in Fahrenheit is a list they provide us with just to test our data. And as you can see, this is the original list. And then here I used a calculator and calculated it so I can know what I'm looking for in the end, so we can check our test case against that new list. So let's go ahead and get started. It's quite simple. First thing we want to do is we want to declare that convert temperature function. And of course, inside the parameter, we are taking a list of Fahrenheit temperatures. So from there, you see we have our main is where we're going to put that test case, which is our list. And then down here, we are going to print that function with the passed in test case list. So let's go ahead and get started with this. We can actually use list comprehension and we can solve this in one line. So first thing I want to do is I want to start with return, because we want the function to actually give us back the value, which is the updated list. So let's put our brackets here so we know it's a list. And what do we want? We want each number in that list to be grabbed, and then we're going to minus 32 from that number, and then it's going to be divided by 1.8. Right here I pasted the formula here to do the calculation. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to say num. First thing we want to do is what? Take that number and subtract 32. So let's go ahead and do that. So num minus 32, and then after we've completed that, we want to then divide by 1.8. And we're doing that for each number in the list that they gave us. So we'll say for num in list of Fahrenheit temperatures. And that should be it, guys. Let's go ahead and test it down here in the terminal and see what we get. So Python 3. We're just going to feed it in the file name. And as you can see, it actually sort of rounded it. So you know what? Let's take out this extra division symbol and see if we can get more of the answer closer to what was on the calculator. So this looks much better. As you can see, it do have the decimals here. So we're not actually rounding it up. So this will work better. So here's my solution, guys. Let me know how you would solve it. Let me know if you have any tips. And thanks for watching. You guys have a great Thursday. Bye-bye.